All right, we're going to do one more recipe, the polenta butter. Yeah, I'm just... Oops. This one. So the polenta butter is very simple, but there is a step-by-step process to it. So we'll have a look at it together. So it's asking for 400 ml of coconut cream. So you can find some coconut cream, and it's asking for 2 cups of water, not milk, sea salt, and polenta. So that's what makes it nice and thick. And so we want to place all ingredients into a small saucepan using a wooden spoon. When it starts to boil, we want to turn it down to just a simmer, and then let it simmer for 15 minutes. That'll let it really thicken up with the polenta. And then once it's it's quite thick, you want to just let it cool for a little bit, and then we want to pop it into a blender. Our little NutriBullet works really well, and yeah, you blend it for a good amount of time, and there's your butter, and you just pour it into a little glass container, make it about that thick, and yeah, let it cool in the fridge, and yeah, it's really yummy. You can add your own seasonings. It's a butter, so I guess butter's not really salty, but you can add garlic powder and make it a really nice spread. So you can, yeah. That's a good question. I only got introduced to this at the program, but is the butter freezable?
Not that I know.
I don't know.
But you can add less milk, less water, and it can turn into cheese slices.
True. So you actually can add less water, and it turns into sliceable cheese. So it goes really, really thick. So adding your coconut cream. Into there, and your 1/2 cup of polenta.
So is that like 1 cup of water for the cheese? It says 2 cups.
Yes, so you would use a bit less water for that one. So maybe 1.5 cups. So 2 cups of water. 1, 2, and some salt. And in our one, we actually added a tiny bit of garlic powder and also savoury yeast flakes. But again, you don't have to add those. You can add whatever you want to, really. But yeah, so 1.5 teaspoons. There we go. That one's good. So yeah, just mixing it all together. So you're putting it over the oven, and you're just letting it come to a boil, and then just let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And it'll go really thick. The polenta will really thicken it up. Then let it cool, and then with a spatula just scrape it into a blender and blend it till it's really fine and smooth. Yeah, and it'll pour nicely into a glass container or any container, and yeah, if you pop it in the fridge, it'll go, yeah, nice and not hard, but yeah, like you saw today. Really.
You could add a pinch of turmeric to it, a teensy weensy bit to make it look yellow.
Yes, you could add turmeric to make it look like cheese. But yeah, Does anyone have any questions on that one? Pardon, sorry, I can't quite. I would, yes, yeah. Oh, there you go.
It's like origin bubble like a volcano.
Yeah, so that's the polenta butter, and yeah, that's all the other recipes as well. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, just ask. Ask one of us. But yeah. So yeah, thank you all for listening.